good. Well, I'll take a picture of it and send it to you. I think it looks good. Looks a little goofier now here. Everything's not together, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, what the hell? So, cool thing. You got rear glass there. You got all that back there. I mean, right now it's not like a little thing right there. I guess that gets hooked in there somewhere. I don't know. It's just like that. This is literally how I'm gonna fucking do it, and then I'm gonna just speed caps it. It's not terrible.
Let's see what YouTube has for guides. I don't know if you watched any guides or not.
I watched some. There's no shit out there.
Oh man. You don't really have anywhere to sit it other than on top of the car. It's gonna look pretty fire. Obviously, you'll get forwards. You're not gonna line it up with anything because it's so far back up here.
Well, no, it's supposed to be here a little bit, and it's supposed to slide on. There's a screw and a nut. It's supposed to go on. Door! Little fucker. Honestly, that looks like a Mugen hardtop.
Yeah, it kind of does actually. That's what I was thinking. Maybe that's where they got the inspiration.
Maybe, yeah. They're like,
it kind of does.
Missing something.
Because it has that kind of, not, I mean, it's not as exaggerated as the Mugen, but.
Yeah.
Oh, plastic windows.
Fun.
Oh my goodness, there's 2 of your cars.
Yeah.
Look, mine's so much more different though now.
Uh-huh.
Finally. They look a little bit different.
So, this looks terrible with that one.
Yeah, I mean, once it's lined up, it'll sit better.
Everything's screwed up, yeah. It's screwed in.
When are you gonna screw everything on?
Now.
Good. Get out of my living room.
Yeah,
Yeah,
clearing out the
good.
living room.
So the only reason why I really need you over here is because to do the seals.
Oh.
We have to put seal underneath it all the way around.
Yeah, this is kind of annoying.
Apparently you can get where like a hatch top where it like zimmies up and you connect these 2 points to each other, and that's how it does it. So
Is your trunk gonna not be usable at all? So you're gonna have to clear out your trunk.
Or take off, yeah. I don't have anything in there right now.
Yeah, some stuff.
Yeah. What do you think, man?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know, man.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. I like it. It's cool. I don't think it's worth what I paid for it.
You only paid what, 2?
22, yeah.
I mean, that's what you pay for any hardtop.
Yeah.
That's literally all of them, or $2 grand. Mine was 1,970 something.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, it's expected. I could have paid less if I didn't get it in carbon fiber, but I didn't want to paint it or wrap it. So.
Yeah, I wish this thing was, if it was complete carbon fiber, I'd be like hands down 100% worth it.
It probably cost another $400.
Yeah.
Might cost like $300 more to get just the outside complete carbon fiber.
Cool as heck though.
Yeah. Just throw the latches on and just drive it around.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
The back end just flying up in the air.
Yeah.
That'd be hilarious.
I don't really know because like the back piece is only connected by 2 screws. 1 on each side.
I mean, it'll still be okay because once the front's secured and it's secured at the front, it won't be moving.
From a distance, it does look really cool.
Yeah. It'll look a little bit more normal once you had the latches on the front because there's like this much gap right now. Yeah. That's what I was talking about earlier. Break carbon fiber immediately. See, you have like this.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool.
Looks
Definitely need it wrapped though.
I feel like it needs a Wi-Fi guy now.
Yeah, it kind of does. Almost. Okay. Finished product.
Finished product, and that's the end of the video. Thank you guys. Subscribe and tell your friends that we're gay.
Yes.
Yeah, whatever. Thanks. These are.
How's your PC still resetting?
Yeah, I don't know.
Jesus Christ.
They just like kind of like slip in. Yeah, I think they just kind of like slip in.
Afterwards. I'm going, bud. So how does it go?
I think.
You have to cut it or anything?
No, I don't think you do. I think.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see where it clips now.
Yeah.
Kind of into it. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. Okay.
Hey, when you leave in the mornings for work, why is my wine cup out here?
We're using it to pour gasoline out of her car.
You really did?
Yeah.
Give you a little extra flavor on the next glass.
Oh my God, I hope you throw it away now.
No, it's okay. You can wash that out. Gasoline evaporates.
It's silicone.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I was like, are you fucking
It probably
jackass, Mindy?
Yeah, it's probably freaking soaked up the gas in the pores.
Yeah.
Well, tell her she needs to buy her mama another wine glass then. Anyways, hey, be careful driving to work because last couple mornings there's been sheriff's department when I come home.
Really? Yeah.
I've always been more concerned about deer.
Yeah.
When I drive.
I always drive the speed limit. So, like, I am, like, on that road.
You just don't need any more tickets.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah. I was talking to Anthony about it. It's like we were going the speed limit.
You drove really slow and safe on the way here.
Okay, yeah, because they're looking for his ass.
Yeah, I know.
You know what you guys should do one time? Have your dual cars and are you recording?
Yeah.
Anyways, put his license plate or your license plate
God.
on both cars and see if they can catch you. And then like one going high and then the other one whips out and yeah, you guys should have like a whole.
Be like, oh man, we're cornered.
Oh
Look
God,
at
I don't need to
and
be
then fly past.
encouraging you guys.
It'd
But
be like,
you
wait,
know,
is that the car?
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that'll be a mess, dude. We go to prison for so long. Oh my God.
They'd have to catch you first and then prove that it was which one.
That is true. They'll just
Uh-huh.
probably send us both to jail if it's the Morley cop, at least.
Yeah.
No, you don't do it. You do it out where you got
Oh,
room
yeah,
to run.
Away from Morley.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, like yours are the 60s where our cars are at.
I just saw both your cars and
Yeah. Fuck, man. So,
Oh god, we're running. We gotta hurry now. It's 3:47. We have less than an hour before the sun goes down.
247.
3:47.
Oh, fuck.
So at this point in the video, we started to worry about a whole bunch of stuff, and we knew we weren't going to get it done in time. So what we ended up doing was just go ahead and getting all the screws and bolts off and get everything tightened and stuff like that. We used YouTube for a lot of it and went ahead and scrolled through and kind of found out the mounting points and stuff like that. At this point, it still wasn't 100% mounted. You have to actually take the back little, it's a rain catcher for the back glass right beside it's right in between the little black liner and the other liner. And after you remove that, there's 3 little bolts, and you can connect those 3 little bolts to the back of the soft top or the hard top. There's little pin brackets right underneath it. You don't have to remove that little door sill, the little black door seal right in front of it, what it lays on top of. You can leave those in there, but there's a little plastic yellow piece, what that little bracket goes around, it kind of pops in. And after you pop it in, you can screw it into the hard top, and that's why I've been having mounted up to for almost the past year now. Other than that, that's more or less how you install it after you grab the brackets from the soft top. You can leave the soft top in. It didn't make any difference in actual fitment. I think it maybe dropped less than a meter after I took the soft top and that little black trim piece out too. Honestly, keep it in there. It's so much work to just take the soft top out. I wouldn't recommend, honestly, putting the back brackets and taking the back piece of the soft top out. It's just so much work. Just keep it in. It's more weight. You're going to definitely feel the weight difference when you take it out. But if you're not going full track car, then don't even worry about it. That's all I gotta say. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and watch for more. I'm gonna try to provide weekly content more often like this. I do have some videos I have recorded from car meets and stuff like that, but I just haven't been able to be motivated enough to produce them out. If y'all want to see anything else, just go ahead and comment below or tell me. I'm on Discord all the time. I stream almost every other week on this channel. So thank you for watching. Bye.